I've tried over the years to make a really good falafel, and it wasn't until someone told me to use dry chickpeas that it really came together. So they're not quite dry. What you're gonna wanna do is take a cup of chickpeas and soak them overnight, but don't cook them. You wanna keep them just hydrated, and that's about it. So we're gonna put those into our food processor, and then we're just gonna mix everything else in. Some lemon juice, chopped up onion. You could just do a clove of minced garlic. I have a little bit of roasted garlic, so I'm gonna use that because it's gonna add a little extra pop of flavor. Fresh parsley, about 2 tablespoons of tahini. And then we got our spice mix, which is turmeric, cumin, salt, and pepper. And then we're just gonna pulse this until it's nicely combined. Yeah, that's what you're looking for right there. I recommend getting some water just to wet your hands down. It's gonna keep everything from getting too sticky. I like to make probably about 10 to 12 balls here. Kind of the size of a golf ball, I guess. Tends to work. I mean, the texture is just gonna be kind of weird. You just wanna hold it together. It's gonna feel like it'll fall apart really quickly, and it does. So just hold it together enough to make a ball shape. Okay, so this made about a dozen or so. If I was at home, I would use my air fryer at around 375 degrees, but here at the farm, I have a convection oven, which does more or less the same thing. I'm gonna put this on and check it around 10 minutes, and that should be just enough to get these nice and crisp. These ended up cooking more like 15, 20 minutes inside the convection oven, but on my air fryer at home, it's usually around 12 minutes. Just keep on cooking until they get a nice little brown on them. You can put these in a salad, you can put them inside of a falafel, drizzle them with tahini. There's so many different ways to enjoy these. I love to put them with a little bit of mustard. They're crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle. These are so good. I love these things. These also freeze really, really well, so you can make a giant batch and use them over and over again. So good.
Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.